So as the Amazon marketing system becomes more and more complex between PPC, DSP, if you watched our last video, there's a lot of questions around attribution. The question is always, which ads are working, which ones aren't, and ultimately, where should I spend my money? The answer that Amazon has come up with is Amazon Marketing Cloud. No surprise, it's more complex than you would hope it would be, but it's incredibly powerful if you know how to access it and if you know how to use it. First, I'm going to highlight the benefits, and then I'm going to tell you how you can get involved. So basically, AMC pools all of your data together, and then typically if you access AMC by yourself, you'll have to use SQL queries to pull data that can really tell you whatever you want. So as an example, it's conversion rates based on ad exposure, it's path to purchase between if somebody looked at a sponsored product ad, then a sponsored brand ad, and then a DSP ad, and then they bought it. Usually because Amazon's a last attribution model, only the last thing that somebody touched is the one that's going to get the conversion credit. You can see things like assisted conversion metrics. So if you input a merchant token, like I talked about in the last video, they see a DSP ad, maybe it resonates with them, they look up your brand, they click a PPC ad, they buy the product, then ultimately the PPC ad will get credit. AMC is the way that you can tell, hey, this person was exposed via DSP ad, that's why they looked us up, and that's why they made the purchase. So that's called an assisted conversion. You can also create custom audiences via AMC that you can integrate into DSP that aren't otherwise available. As an example, abandoned cart, or look-alike audiences for your subscribe and save shoppers. You can create audiences based on ad exposure. So somebody that's seen a sponsored product and a sponsored brand ad, but they haven't seen a DSP ad yet. You can create audiences based on those, and it'll tell you the conversion rates based on ad exposure so you ultimately know which audiences to create. So it's incredibly useful. And before, you could only access AMC if you were currently running Amazon DSP. Apparently it unboxed, I was not there, but they announced that you can now access AMC just to capture data through your PPC, sponsored product, sponsored brand ads, even if you don't have a DSP seat and you're not actively running DSP ads, even though you should. So to be honest, it's a constantly evolving program. So by the time you see this, they probably updated it in some capacity. So the first thing to note is that you can't just go access AMC. You can't go to amc.com because that will take you to the movie theater website. Even though if you're this deep in the data, maybe just go to amc.com and go see a movie instead because you're really nerding out and you sound like me. So in order to access Amazon AMC, Amazon doesn't make it easy, shocker. You'll basically either need to get an instance created through them, which is easier for some than others. You can get an instance created through an agency or through a tech partner. So Amazon will grant AMC access to specific brands, agencies, etc. If you get access to it, you'll need to know how to run SQL queries in order to access the data. I've heard that you can use ChatGPT through my friend Michael at AdBadger. That's what he said he does. He's smarter than me. I don't personally know how to run SQL queries, so I don't ever actually access AMC in its raw form ever. In my experience, the easiest way to gain access to Amazon AMC is through an agency or tech partner. There are many partners out there such as XMars, Perpetua, PackView, IntentWise, a bunch of others. They're gonna be really mad at me if they see this video and I didn't mention them, but that's okay. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have to know how to run SQL queries. You do have to pay a percentage of ad spend typically to access it. However, you can access the reports, you can make custom audiences. Everything that I referred to before, you can access through a tech partner without having to shoulder the burden of getting an AMC seat and also running SQL queries all day. Or you come work with Trivium and you don't worry your pretty little head about it and you just let me handle. So if you're interested in AMC or just generally confused about what the hell I'm talking about, Brandy is gonna put several links probably here, maybe down here. Click any of them, it'll take you to our website or a direct Calendly link to book 30 minutes with me. I don't mind, even if you just wanna talk for whatever reason. No harm, no foul. See you next time.